You all right, Bernie? You getting on all right, or do you want a hand?
No, I'm all right.
All right. Try turning it off and on again. Hello, rebooters. I'm going to give Sony Steady Shot Active a go today on the camera today. See if it removes a bit of shake. Now, this is the second day after our abundance from yesterday. Bernie's officially in today.
Only in body, not woken up yet.
Yeah. So anyway, we're going to delve a bit deeper into our the kit that we've had today. And first thing we're going to look at is this Dell printer, which is a colour laserjet. What is it? It's a Dell 1320C. So let's get that on the bench. Get that on the bench then, Bernie, eh? And we'll see if it's a worker. If it's a goer, we might replace or have in reserve our Samsung one there that is running out of ink. So we might have a replacement for now. We'll see what happens. So,
do we know how to get a status report up on one of these?
I think, what's any panel on there? Yeah, if you just keep when it's finished doing its checking,
press that
on
one.
The front here, yeah, if you just keep it pressed, it should.
That must be the power button then, is it?
It's ready.
That one,
yeah, keep it pressed. There we go. It's off. So my understanding is that if you hold the green button on these laser printers, you don't have to have it connected to the network. If you hold it, it will self-create a status report for you. And there we go. Let's see what we got, eh?
So it's done 31,016 A4 pages and none of anything else. It's only been used for A4.
Yep.
Of which 17,950 have been colour, 13,066 have been black and white. Right, but the most important thing is we want to know what the ink status is. And it is not telling us by the looks of it, unless I've missed it.
Here are the laptops that came in. So we've got four laptops, three of which are HP 650s, with our Core i5s in these. Probably 4th gen, maybe 5th, not sure. This one's got a broken screen, it says. This one's got a broken screen. This one is an HP ProBook 6570B. Slightly older generation, but very good for our customers. We've had a lot of these, and they've really liked these. This one looks like it's in working order. We've also got SSD box. What's inside it?
Not an SSD.
A Samsung, no, it's a Seagate 500 gig came in that one, but it's a normal spinning rust, as they like to call it now. So some good, some bad. Now the thing is with these damaged screens on these, they're full HD panels on these, and we haven't got any full HD spare panels. We do have a lot of spare panels behind us, but none of these are full HD. They're probably 1366 by 768 Bernie, I think, aren't they? Those old panels?
Yeah.
Pretty much. Right, so that's the laptops done.
Right.
Well, we can't find the status of the toners. Our status reports that came out don't actually give us anything about the state of the cartridges. Now on the front here, these are not indicating that there is any shortages. That's not to say it might not be a shortage tomorrow. So Bernie is looking for the drivers from the Dell site, and we've input the service tag of the printer, and which is that, and it finds the correct printer, which is, so it's a Dell 1320C. Drivers and downloads.
Windows 1060, yes,
Yeah.
that's what we are. And that's, I take it, which one do we go for?
So we'll get some drivers and then we'll whack them on there and see what happens, eh?
Oh, come on, stop it now.
Here are the desktops that came in. They're all HPs. We've got 4 HP 400 G2s. What were they, 4th gen, Bernie, on these? These are i5 4th gens, I think, weren't they? You looked at 4590S, I think you said.
The clue is in the name, in the code, isn't it? Yes, these are all 4th gen 4590S. Yes.
Alright, so they've got 4th gen i5s in these. The slightly lower power ones, slightly lower wattage on these. They're good. We've also got 3 Pro 3500s. Not sure what's inside those. They got 30 i3-3240s. Let's have a look on Tom's Hardware. Right, okay, and where's that i5-45?
We've only got the plain one, not the S one. The S one will be, I think, is
Slightly lower power, isn't it?
lower power, isn't it?
Yeah, but that's, what's that, tier 12?
Tier 13.
That's a good workhorse.
Yeah, we have got one of those in the system.
Yeah.
For a customer.
Okay. So that is, so I've done the laptops, got the desktops. First thing we're going to do with all these is to take the hard drives out, match the hard drives with the asset numbers on the boxes, so I can create a wipe certificate to get back to the donor to complete their
Disposal record.
Yeah. How are we getting on with the drive with this printer, Bernie? Oh, it's doing a restart.
The cursed Windows update.
Do you know what? Printers generally are an absolute nightmare for us. We spend so long faffing around with stuff only to find out that there's a problem with the drum, or they run out of toners, or it just something's wrong with it somewhere, or the paper feed jamming up, and normally we just kind of dispose of them. We refuse to take inkjet printers now from the general public because they've always don't come in with any toner on them. However, these have come in from a business, so and they got donated with the stock that came in here, so there's much better chance of
with the exception of this one didn't come from them. This one, someone dumped it and run.
Ah, okay. So this one's, although it is a colour laserjet printer, hopeful.
I think it's got issues.
Yeah. Oh well. The other ones. Let's have a look at this. The other ones that came in are. Let's have a look. We've got 3 of these, which are HP OfficeJet 75000A wide format. Wide format? A2?
Yeah, I don't know. It's got A4 in there. Go up to A3.
Oh, A3. Yeah, A3 printers. Now, The only reason we've got these is because they've gone through their 3-year life cycle. They're not necessarily faulty or scrap, so we're going to get these running as well, Bernie, aren't we?
Just had an idea.
Bernie's had an idea, hang on.
We had a chap come in this week after an A3 printer, inkjet printer, that he wanted to print t-shirt designs on.
He did, didn't he? Onto heat transfer paper.
This would be ideal.
It would, wouldn't it? If we can only remember who he was.
That's where the puzzle is. Yeah, who was he?
Well, I don't know. Well,
I can't remember what day it was. It was either Tuesday or Wednesday.
yeah. Well, anyway, we'll get them running, and well, we'll see if they're running. Right. So, moving on.
Cartridge problem. The following ink cartridges appears to be missing or damaged.
There,
Show me.
there in a nutshell, is our nemesis. We're grateful for the stuff. It can be very challenging. Right, we got some status, Bernie, have we?
Yes, the magenta and the blue
Let's have a look.
are empty.
The
The black is almost on its way out, and the yellow is almost on its way out.
It's all at it, isn't it, that one?
Yeah.
All right, let's park that one then, Burns, yeah?
Yep.
Let's park that one.
Do we want a print report on this one?
Not really. We know what we're seeing, don't we? We'll just put a label on there, empty. 1 down, 2 to go. What's going on, Bernie?
Right, the ink stays is on printer number 2.
Let's have a look. Hang on. Let's release and move. Right. Oh, what we got? What we got? Oh no.
3 triangles.
Ah, Bernie. 2 down. 1 to go. Back on the gimbal. There we go. Oh, zoomed in automatically. Oops. Sorry, YouTubers.
Right, number 3. Or if you're bored, 3. There's a film reference in there somewhere. Put it in the comments if you know which film it is.
What's the status, Bernie?
Bingo, we got 4 triangles.
Is that good or bad?
Bad.
Oh, hang on. Off the gimbal. Let's have a look.
Jackpot!
Ah, dear. Brilliant. There you are. There's inkjet printers for you. Now, we are grateful from our company, and I think because of the value of these printers and the fact that the cartridges are very cheap on these, Bernie, I think what we'll do is we're going to do a factory reset on all these to reset all the data that may be in the box. But if we advertise these for sale,
Yeah.
and without inks, or buy the inks but don't install them, and only install them when the customer requires, when he's paid the money, then we don't have the problem of them hanging around for a while and drying out, do we?
No.
Because that's the problem with inkjets.
What we could do...
On the gimbal.
I mean, what we could do is... Buy,
Oh, zoomed in again. Oh no! Sorry.
That's because you keep hitting the button.
I know, yeah, there we go. What is it, Bernie?
It is a HP OfficeJet 7500 Alpha wide format. It might come up with that.
70 quid. These cartridges are really cheap for these printers. I'm surprised at that.
Oh, it's 15 quid there for a set of 4.
Yeah.
And no printers. Ah, there we go.
30 quid pre-owned.
40 quid.
40 quid pre-owned. And you can actually buy individual inks on those, the colours. There we are. 10 inks for £7.69. Oh, is it a gamble? Is it a gamble, Bernie?
Yeah.
It's worth a shot, isn't it?
Yep.
Worth a shot, that is. We'll order those. Or similar.
Right, we're a bit dusty.
The next job on our list of things to do today is to get the hard drives out of these HP towers that came in.
Oh, there.
So let's just show the viewers here, Bernie.
Right.
Oh, a bit dusty, isn't it?
Are we?
So these are micro ATX motherboards in here. There's the hard drive. We'll have a quick zoom in on that lot, Bernie. So Bernie is just suggested,
Because it has a 24 pin where some HPs don't,
yeah,
and the standard CPU power.
4-pin CPU. So this is it is an HP. It's an HP power supply, but it doesn't appear to be a proprietary one. It's a standard ATX power supply. So there's a hard drive. We'll be taking that out of all the other 6. That is the job. It's dusty, but it's not too dusty in there, Bernie, isn't it?
No,
Well, there's a dust bunny
bad.
there. Look, there's a dust bunny there. There he is. There he is. There he is. Oh! Anyway, we're moving forward. Got the hard drives out now. We've got they're all 500 gig drives from the towers, 4 Western Digitals and 3 Seagates. The laptop drives, we've got 2 Seagate 500 gigas, a Toshiba 500 and an HGST 500, and bit of cherry on top, a what is it, 256 Crucial SSD MX100. So that is unlikely to go back in one of the laptops. We're going to save that for one of our gamer builds that we'll do when we've got the rest of the components. So we've got motherboards, haven't we, Bernie?
Yep.
And we've got good chips.
Yep.
And we've got
Good
power
cases.
supply cases, yeah. Now we've got a boot drive, suitable boot drive. The only thing we're missing,
nVidia!
AMD.
nVidia!
cards. We need some
nVidia!
graphics cards. Anyway,
nVidia!
let's carry on. We're going to wipe these now using active kill disk. So as you can see here, we've got all 6 drives lined up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 400 gigs and a 250 gig. That's the SSD in there, that one. Right, let's close that and fire up active kill disk. Okay, so here we go again. Here's our 6 hard drives. So select all these. Kill. British HMG, IS5 enhanced, 3 passes plus a verify. This will do its business and shut down afterwards. Bang. And the data's gone. Kill disk has been running for 24 minutes. As you can see, progress is being made. And there's another 2 hours 40 roughly until this completes. You alright, Bernie? You getting on alright, or do you want a hand?
No, I'm alright.
Alright. Try turning it off and on again.